everyone. This is my Jamaican morning routine when I'm back home. The first thing that I start off with is a glass of water and I get my emergency. I have to stay healthy on my trip, and my emergency helps me to do that. Next, I have my tea, but I don't have it yet. I'm going to start my kettle. Then, while I start my kettle, I'm going to go ahead and get my stretches done. I've been having these pains called sciatic nerve pain, and I feel it all the way down in my left leg, which is a form of piriformis. So I found these stretches online that are really helpful. Not only does it help me to stretch and how my body feels better, but it also helps me to focus on my day. It just relaxes me and I start my day out positively. So first I stretch my neck. Then after that, I do like a slight push-up. As my chiropractor told me, you do not want to feel the pain going down your leg. If you do, that means you need to stop your exercises. So I stop at the point where I feel it. So the next thing that I do, I stretch each leg, just opening up my hip area. And I do each side for about, 10 seconds or so. And when I do this, I feel nothing. I feel no pain. I feel great. All right. The next thing that I'll do, of course, I'm going to roll over. Look here, I ain't wear no bra, but don't worry about that. So I roll over. I center my legs facing the roof. Then I lean them from side to side, controlling it with my ab muscles. So try not to move your hips too much, just your ab muscles. And I stretch them from side to side, just letting them go. And this helps me to feel so much better. After I'm done doing my stretches from side to side, I just stretch my leg out and I kind of just kind of focus on the day, focus on everything that I need to get done. Breathe in, breathe out, listen to my breathing. Just start my morning off with lots of gratitude. That's a great day to start your day. When I'm in Jamaica, I feel so much more at ease. The air is clean. I hear the birds outside, the chirping. I just feel at ease. Then, by the time I'm done, it's time to make my tea. I use this instant ginger tea that I really enjoy. Of course, I do not use any sweeteners in my tea. Even when I'm in the States, I don't either. So, of course, I put my ginger tea sachet. I empty it in my cup. Big up to my Jamaica cup. Yada Brad. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour. I'm going to go ahead and pour my boiling water on top of that. And I feel like when I drink hot water in the mornings, or whether it's hot water or hot tea, whatever it is, it just helps my digestive system feel better and I don't feel like heavy down. The next thing I do after I pour my tea, I go out on the front porch and I just take it all in. I kind of settle and ground myself into what I need to accomplish for the day, but also what I have accomplished. And just be grateful. Just start the morning off with gratitude. It's the little things that count. The cloud in the sky, the blue sky. I'm healthy. My family is healthy. We're all taken care of. And this is how I just started off being in Jamaica. Every single morning, this is how I start my day. The next thing I have are my fruits. This morning I had banana, watermelon, and a sweet sop. And then I just take it all in. After I do that, I usually run on the road to get myself some breakfast after I do a morning walk. So sometimes I do a morning walk, but not every morning. Anyways, this is how I start my day in Jamaica. Remember to subscribe.